Hi guys, my name is this name over here, and this is what I do, and this is some of the work I've done over the past few years. The video you just watched is made up of a bunch of projects that I've worked on within the past couple of years that involved some form of AI, both generative and planning stage and in the structure phase, right? I've been passionate about using AI in my creative workflows for the past couple of years, experimenting with like a bunch of different tools, a bunch of different workflows, and I think I've learned a thing or two about using AI generally in your life as a modern age person right now, and especially as a creative. So I've decided to make the hard decision of showing my face on here and talking through what I'm learning and some of the processes I'm using in my work as I go on, this creative journey. I've been designing and animating for over a decade. I've worked for a bunch of companies. Currently, brand design lead at Mintlify, helping build the knowledge infrastructure of the internet and AI. So yeah, I think I have some level of experience to share with people, and which is why I have created this channel, or I'm back on this channel, and I'm going to be creating this series called My AI Employees, where I basically walk through how I'm using all the AI tools, which I call my AI employees, in my day-to-day work and my day-to-day life. And I think some of the content that I am going to be running through on this channel have to do with a bunch of range of different things, ranging from how I optimize my life in general with AI, how I build systems for my life and both my creative work with AI, professional work and creative projects, how I use AI in those, both on the generative side and in the background as like AI as a co-pilot and with AI as a helper, in the process, kind of like an assistant, creative director or like something like that. And there's also things that I love doing, which is like experimentation for experimentation's sake, things that I just do randomly because I feel like building something for fun or like testing out ideas. I think there's a bunch of like very interesting things that I've done in this space that I'm going to be sharing as well. And then yeah, just generally share whatever I'm learning. I think I've already said that, and also learn from you guys as well, because I don't think I know everything, right? But I think I know something and I'm going to present it. And if other people also know something, we all share the information as and when you get it. So the next series of videos I'm going to be uploading on the channel would have to do with, so I organized an AI demo event earlier in the year, where I had like a bunch of my friends who I think are really using AI in some cool and interesting ways to come and basically demo how they work with AI or how they use AI. And we have that documented. So we're going to be like rolling out some of those videos. They are very long, very packed, very informative videos. So be on the lookout for that. And then on the side, I'm also going to be like sharing some tidbits and like some short videos and tips that I'm learning with like using AI, because I think one thing I've also noticed is using AI in your work can be simple and easy, but it can also be overwhelming, even like knowing where to start, because every day there's 5 new tools. Every week there's like 20 new Claude updates, and like it can be overwhelming. So I think I've done the hard work of passing through a lot of these tools, especially for creatives, and it's really not that hard. So I want to like share some of my expertise that I've gathered in this space, so that people who are now starting with their AI education afresh can also know, how to begin or where to start based on what they are doing. Also, if you have any questions or any thoughts on what you would want to see more of on this channel, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be hanging out in there, and then I would document some of those things and then bring it back so that we can all share and be learning from each other. So yeah, I hope and pray that I'm able to be consistent with this. I'm able to keep it up, and yeah, because I'm a very inconsistent guy when it comes to things like this, but I really hope I'm able to be consistent for long enough with this. And yeah, I'm excited to see how far this goes. I will catch you in the next upload in the next few days, so be on the lookout for that. And don't forget to drop the comments. Share this with all your friends who are interested in learning AI but are confused on where to start from. I think this is one of the places to start from. So yeah, let's do that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is very weird. We did that. So we good? Yeah. So hi guys. This is my name. Okay, no, let's go again. Stay tuned, and I don't know how to end. Catch you guys in the next one.